Good morning, YouTube. I am trying to figure out how in the heck to get out of the park. Michael's not with me because I could go wash laundry. And obviously I have no sense of direction, and there's no exit signs or anything like that, which is kind of ridiculous. I forgot to bring the map with me, so I think this camper's leaving, so I'm gonna follow him. That's a biggin. Anyway, I have to wash laundry, and we got to go to our next destination.
What have you been up to?
I've been riding on a daydream.
Alright, so I finally found my way out to get to the laundry. This place is a little kind of dated. With a building like this, it's a pretty large building. I'll walk over here to show you. We'll go into the laundry here in a minute. But they only have 2 washers and 2 dryers. So, and they're top loaders and they're rather small, so I had to cram my clothes in there. So, but I'll take you in there in a minute. They do have a pretty large lake that obviously, I'm assuming that you could swim in it, but it looks like it has a lot of seaweed. And that could have all to do with the hot summer. I don't know. Generally, whenever we grew up out at Westville Lake and we had hot summers, we had a lot of seaweed. So it looks like maybe they have a paddle boat over there. I don't know if you can rent them, but I would imagine it'd be pretty nice during the summer to spend here. They do have a pool and it is open. Swim at your own risk, no lifeguard. Looks like they have a little hot tub, but it looks like maybe it's closed. I don't know. It's taped off. I guess it's probably closed. Guess maybe that's part of social distancing or something. But it is pretty nice. Oh, there's some bathrooms, and maybe they have a little, probably sell food from here. The old trading post, it says. Maybe that's the camp store. But overall, the park is rustic, like Michael said. I don't think it would be too bad to stay here for a few weeks. You're out in the middle of no man's land. I'm going to take you into the laundry room and we'll see what else is down here. The activity center, 37 people. It says you have to have a mask on, which I didn't see anybody have a mask on. This sign right here is a little confusing because the laundry is right here. Oh, that's great. That's out of order, and I got 2 loads of laundry. How super. I'll be here forever. 14 minutes left, so hopefully the towels get done first. It's like somebody's been licking the windows. Well, they have all the tables spread apart. I'm not sure what goes on here. I know they do have some activities. Ooh, social distancing of 10 feet. I'm not sure what that is over there. I could maybe look on the map. If it's maybe like... I have to look on the map. I have no idea what it is. But this is a real pretty view right here. Now they have canoes. That's pretty cool. Oh, this area is temporarily closed. I don't know what that is, but that scared the shit out of me. Big ass horsefly, maybe. I think they do have arts and crafts for the kids. Yesterday they had cotton candy making. That would have been fun. I'm gonna go back down to the laundry. It's about time for my laundry to be done, or our laundry to be done. This laundry, right? 30 minutes. I don't know how many minutes are left on this. I can't do that. Not hardly enough water in there. Oh well. So here I am, and over an hour later, and look what we got here. I'm trying to get these towels dry because there's one dryer that is working out of 2. So these were in here in the dryer for over 40 minutes and they're still not dry. So maybe that tells me that we need to get rid of these towels and get some that dry fast. Nothing's dry in there. Nothing's dry in there. Imagine that. And I can only dry on medium. I don't think I can get buttons broken. Let's try it anyway. Pre-select cycle. I don't know what that means. Pre-select cycle. Freaking whites and... I can only dry a permanent press.
That's got to be on the way out there.
Yeah.
Continue 1/4 mile to the end of the street, then turn left.
Damn, I hate these spikes. See the rocks?
Yeah.
I'm telling you.
way.
The dust is just flying off the truck.
It's bad.
Oh my.
Continue 1/2 mile to the end of the street, then turn left.
What you doing? I'll put that address.
Yeah.
13 something. I don't remember what it was. So here we are going through what only the West Coast has, apparently. And I say this on most of my videos because there's a lot of people that don't travel in the East. We have hills, we have mountains, we have places just like anywhere else that the elevation changes pretty drastically. A lot of the times, though, it's not straight up. However, we've traveled that today, for sure. So this is West Virginia. We just came out of Virginia, and this is definitely, they're riding in between the ridges right now, as far as when they develop the road. They have a tendency, obviously, to do that most of the time to save on, you know, going up a mountain and down a mountain. So again, if you're traveling through the Appalachian Mountains in the east part of the country, eastern part of the country, you're going to go through hills, and some of them are going to be steep, and some of them are going to go for miles and miles. So don't be surprised. For the most part, though, they're pretty, I don't know, you can navigate them pretty easy. There's nothing crazy there, but just wanted to share that with you.
Continue on I-77.
Couldn't see it. Big party there. Big party in the cove.
Watch out, object on road ahead.
It's called COVID Cove. Okay, is there an object on the road ahead? Or are you just giving me shit? The only object I see that's on the road ahead is this little tiny black dot. It's got 4 wheels. Oh, there's shit on the road. Look at that.
He's alligator bite.
The shoe.